Kalenzigile fan ya Pratok since killing Toan from style and music, and then after get up in Doc Shebeleza, we can have a chance to meet because never crowd the blessing from before in Sapina. So when I met him, and then he became someone who can meet. So he got my in Chapeau plan. It was very funny. He never actually wanted a cent from the song.
Yeah.
And he just allowed us to do it. Yeah.
Yona ho yena hore ngwatsela keng ena yona ke la ha se iketse boya batho nke ke be ka baka mo lebala mme ke thuto ke tla hlotseng ke sebedisa dilemong tse tlang.
Shebeleza nne motho botlhale thata. So one time o nang chaketse kuntlu at tsama ampotsa ka ditšhomi tsaka. One of the things that I'll never forget. And Cassper ditšhomi di tla mo ntlong a fridge tletse mare a fridge ya go ka nna empty a sala ka metsi le a bona ditšhomi. So I'll never ever forget that day. Just ampela ka ona careful ka ba.
Yeah. Re leboha holo Cassper hore be o tlile ka jeno kwa Lesedi FM ho re Thella afternoon drive. Molaetsa ha go feng ho batshetsi ba hao batshetsi ba industry ya mmele wa kakaretso kwa Afrika Borwa jwalo ka ha le go lena le letso ile hore le ga aparetse kaofela.
There's a lot to learn from Doc Shebeleza. His philanthropy work. There's a lot that he did for other people. You know, our industry is very self-centered. So, you know, as artists, we can learn from him that there's a lot more that we can do for other people outside of our family. So, renali platform or renali mabito renali mantswe the voice. That's the one thing I'd like to share with my peers to say, let us use our platform and help and build our nation.
Thank you.